Hello friends, welcome to the Grasps Knowledge. In this video, we are going to see how actually we can fix the blank screen in OBS Studio while we try to record our screen using display capture. So, the reason behind this error is now almost all computers and laptops come with two graphics cards, say integrated graphics card and another one which is our main graphics card. Here, OBS Studio confuses which graphics card to use while capturing the screen and finally it comes with no output at all. In this tutorial, we will see how to fix this error very easily. We will see all possible solutions to fix this error and definitely it will work for you as well. So watch the video till end to find out the ways how we are going to solve this error. So let's get started. Firstly, let's see the error. So you will get an idea of what actually the error is and how we are going to fix it. For that, open OBS Studio and this is our home screen when we open it for the first time. Now go to sources here and click on the plus icon. You will see many options. Now click on display capture and one dialog box like this will be opened. It will contain a pre-given name as display capture. You can change it if you want to. Now click on OK button and another dialog box will be opened where you can see what the screen is going to record. As of now, the screen is totally blank. So it's not going to record anything except a blank screen. Now we will see that how we are going to fix this and now we are cancelling this and deleting display capture from sources for better understanding. Now close the OBS Studio by clicking here. Now go to the desktop shortcut icon of OBS Studio. If you have deleted the shortcut icon, don't worry, we will go to the location where we installed the OBS Studio. I will show you both the ways to fix it. Now for those who deleted the shortcut desktop icon, go to C drive from your file manager. Now go to program files, then OBS Studio, then bin, then 64-bit and find file name as OBS64. Rest of the process is same for all. Now right click on the shortcut icon we see in C drive or the desktop icon. You will see run with graphics processor. Hover the arrow over it and you will find three options. Your main graphics card name, in my case it is NVIDIA. Second is integrated graphics and third one is change default graphics processor. Now click on your main graphics card processor. OBS Studio will open with it. Now at display capture and you can see that nothing has been changed. Still it's showing just a blank screen, meaning the screen is not going to record anything. Again I am cancelling and closing the OBS Studio. Our second option is to open it with integrated graphics processor. Let's see if it is working or not. Again, add display capture if not already added. Again, you can see that nothing has been changed and still it's a blank screen. Closing OBS Studio and deleting display capture again for your better understanding. If you don't delete, it's just fine. Now, we are going to implement our third and final method to fix it. Go to the search bar and type graphics setting. As you can see that I just typed graphics and graphics setting appeared. Now open graphics setting. You will see something like this. Leave it as it is and click on browse button and go to the path where we installed our OBS Studio. As we saw earlier in the video, and add the same application by selecting it and clicking on Add button. Now you can see that the application has been added here. Now click on Options. You will see a dialog box like this called Graphics Preference. First of all, I will select High Performance and now save it. After that, open OBS Studio and let us check if it is working or not. Again, as you can see that it's not working on my computer. Again, cancelling it, deleting it and closing OBS Studio. Now, go back to graphics setting and what we will do is again click on Options and select Power Saving as our preference and save it. Now open OBS Studio and add Display Capture. This time we can see that it is working in my case. Now I am saving it here and closing OBS Studio. Sometimes you have to combine this solution with the next solution, that right click on the desktop, open NVIDIA control panel. Inside the NVIDIA control panel, you can go to Manage 3D settings and you have another option for the different graphics card. Then go to Program Setting and find OBS Studio. Select OBS Studio and you have two options to use here, High Performance or Integrated Graphics Card. Keep in mind that while recording the gaming screen, you have to select a high performance graphics card, and for normal screen recording, you have to use an integrated graphics card. I hope any of these solutions will be working for you to solve the problem. Now keep recording the screen. Let us know in the comment section on which topic you need our next video, and if you found this video useful, hit a like button, drop a comment and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.